The Legislative Assembly or Vidhan Sabha. Structure. There are 288 members in the Maharashtra Vidhan Sabha. If the Anglo-Indian community is not adequately represented in the Vidhan Sabha, the governor can appoint one member from that community to the Vidhan Sabha. Some seats in the assembly are reserved for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Duration and qualifications for membership. The duration of the Vidhan Sabha is 5 years. The members of the Vidhan Sabha are directly elected by the citizens above the age of 18 years by secret ballot. Any citizen of India who completes the age of 25 years is qualified to contest election to the Vidhan Sabha. The Speaker and the Deputy Speaker are elected by the members of the Vidhan Sabha from among themselves. The business of the Vidhan Sabha is carried out under the supervision of the Speaker. In the absence of the Speaker, his work is carried out by the Deputy Speaker. The state legislature meets at least thrice a year. The winter session takes place at Nagpur, while the monsoon session and the budget session are held in Mumbai. The functions of the Vidhan Sabha. Functions of the Vidhan Sabha include making laws on the subjects enumerated in the state list and the concurrent list, keeping control on the financial affairs of the state government, approving the annual budget, supervising the activities of the state government, and so on. The members of the Vidhan Sabha can put questions to the Council of Ministers. The Vidhan Sabha can supervise and control the business of the government. The Council of Ministers remains in power only so long as it enjoys the confidence of the Vidhan Sabha. Legislative Council or Vidhan Parishad. Structure. The Vidhan Parishad in Maharashtra consists of 78 members. They include the representatives of teachers, graduates, and local self-governments in the state. Some of the members of the Vidhan Parishad are elected by the members of the Vidhan Sabha. The governor nominates members from among persons having special knowledge or practical experience in literature, science, art, and social service. Term of office and qualifications. The Vidhan Parishad is a permanent house. 1/3 of its members retire after every 2 years and new ones are elected in their place. In this way, each member of the Vidhan Parishad gets a term of 6 years. A citizen of India who has completed 30 years of age is qualified to contest elections to the Vidhan Parishad. Chairman. The chairman and the deputy chairman of the Vidhan Parishad are elected by the members of the Vidhan Parishad from among themselves. The chairman presides over the business of the Vidhan Parishad. In the absence of the chairman, his work is carried out by the deputy chairman. Functions of the Vidhan Parishad. The Vidhan Parishad has the power to supervise the work of the Council of Ministers, to put questions to them, as well as to discuss various issues. General bills can be first introduced in the Vidhan Parishad too. However, money bills cannot be introduced in the Vidhan Parishad first. The Vidhan Parishad has the power to discuss as well as to propose amendments to the bills. The final authority to accept or reject any bill, however, lies solely with the Vidhan Sabha. The State Executive. The executive of Maharashtra state comprises the governor, the chief minister, and the council of ministers. The governor. The governor is the head of the state of Maharashtra. He or she is appointed by the President of India. The person to be appointed as a governor should be a citizen of India and should have completed the age of 35 years. It is a convention not to appoint a person of the same state as its governor. For example, a person from Maharashtra is not appointed as the Governor of Maharashtra. Powers and functions of the Governor. The Constitution has given many powers to the Governor. He or she uses them on the advice of the Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers. The party that has a majority in the Vidhan Sabha elects its leader. The Governor appoints him as the Chief Minister. On the advice of the Chief Minister, he or she appoints the other ministers. A bill passed by the state legislature becomes law only after it is signed by the Governor. When the state legislature is not in session and when it is necessary to make a law urgently, the Governor can issue an ordinance which carries the weight of law. The Governor keeps the President informed about the conditions in the state from time to time. If the Governor is convinced that the state is not being run as per the Constitution or that there is political instability, he or she can recommend to the President to proclaim an emergency in the state. In such a situation, the President's rule is imposed in the state. The powers of the government then lie with the Governor. The Chief Minister. The Chief Minister of the state is appointed by the Governor. The Chief Minister can remain in office only so long as he enjoys the support of the majority in the Legislative Assembly. If a motion of no confidence is passed against the Chief Minister in the Assembly, he has to resign from his office. Power and functions of the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister runs the entire state administration. He or she is the leader of the Legislative Assembly. He or she directs the working of the Council of Ministers. The Chief Minister has the power to supervise the administrative machinery, to distribute the portfolios among the ministers, to take back or change the portfolio of a minister. The resignation of the Chief Minister is considered as the resignation of the entire Council of Ministers. Power and function of the Council of Ministers. The policies of the state government are formulated by the Council of Ministers. The state government functions through different departments. The ministers are in charge of their respective departments. They run their department according to the policies of the Council of Ministers. They propose the necessary bills in the state legislature for its approval. High Court. The Bombay High Court comprises a Chief Justice and other judges. It has 3 benches at Aurangabad, Nagpur and Panji respectively. The judges of the High Court are appointed by the President of India. Functions of the High Court. The responsibility of safeguarding citizens' fundamental rights lies equally with the High Courts as with the Supreme Court. The High Court lays down the general rules and regulations for the functioning of the subordinate courts. The High Court also decides the appeals regarding the decisions of the subordinate courts. Citizens can appeal to the Supreme Court against the decision of the High Court. Development of the state of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a progressive state. It has a long tradition of social reform movements. In continuation of the same tradition, the state of Maharashtra has implemented many programs to ensure social justice. For the development of the weaker sections of society, various development boards like the Mahatma Phule Backward Class Development Corporation, Lok Shahid Anna Bhav Sathe Development Corporation and Mahila Arthik Vikas Development Corporation have been set up. Maharashtra has taken an initiative in setting up various commissions like the Maharashtra State Commission for Women and the Maharashtra State Minority Commission. By formulating an independent policy for women, Maharashtra has given a momentum to women's empowerment. For the development of Marathi language, Maharashtra State Literary and Cultural Board as well as the Rajya Marathi Vikas Sanstha have been set up. Maharashtra is also known as an economically developed state. Industry, commerce, cooperatives and agriculture have made remarkable progress in the state of Maharashtra. Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad, Nashik, Solapur have emerged as industrial centers. The cooperative movement has contributed greatly to the economic development of Maharashtra. The field of information technology is also expanding in our state. Urbanization is increasing day by day. In this way, Maharashtra is making valuable contribution to development and nation building of our country.